Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civil-technology-for-you.com, and today in this session we will learn about circle or how we can draw circle in AutoCAD. So to draw circle in AutoCAD, you will go into the Home tab. Under this there is Draw panel. From here you can draw circle. You can see this option, or you can use this command C. Okay, C, then enter. Then you can just see here in command line that it is asking about specify center point of circle. Okay, you can give a point anywhere here in screen, or it is asking about 3p mean 3 point, 2p mean 2 point, TTR mean tangent and radius. I will just explain this to you. Now I will use this option specify center point. So I will give point here anywhere in screen. So now I just click here. Now you can see command line is giving one more option, specify radius of circle or diameter. So now you can draw circle through radius or a diameter, or you can click anywhere in screen, circle will be here. Okay, now I want to give radius here, for example, so radius of 20 unit, for example. Okay, so all I need to do is I will just write here 20, then I will press enter. Now this is the 20 unit radius. Again, now I will just draw a circle according to diameter. I will press C here, then enter, then I will give first point. Now I will give here D, okay, for diameter. Okay, I will put D here, then enter. Then again it is asking about what is the diameter of the circle. So I want to give as 40 unit of diameter. So I will enter a 40 unit and then press enter. Now this circle is 40 unit of diameter. Okay, and this is a 20 unit of what? Radius. So if you want to check radius and diameter, all you need to do is you will go into the Home tab and make sure that you are in annotation panel, and from here you can just give the dimension. And here you can see some of the options: linear, aligned, angular, arc, radius, diameter. So if you want to check the radius, all you need to do is you will just click here, or you can use this command DRA. What? DRA for checking the radius of a circle. So I will click here and I will click anywhere on the circle, and now you can see it is just giving the radius of a circle. Or you can use this command DR and A. Okay, then I will press enter. Now I will click here and now you can see this is the radius. Now again, if you want to check the diameter of the circle, you will go here in annotation tab, and from here you will go into the diameter and you will click anywhere on the circle. You can check the diameter of a circle, or you can use this command DDI. What? D and then I. Okay, so I will press enter and I will check the diameter of this circle. As you can see, diameter of circle is 40 and the radius is 20. It's mean that diameter is double of radius. Okay, and the radius is half of diameter. So I hope you understand that how we can draw circle according to diameter and radius. Now we will use some more options, like you will click here and you can see some of the options like 2 point, 3 point, 10 radius. Okay, tangent radius, and tangent and tangent. So we will use right now what? 2 point. Radius is clear now, diameter is clear now, and we will use 2 point. For example, I want to draw according to 2 point. So what I will do, I will just draw a straight line here, for example. Okay, line. Okay, and I want to draw according to this line. So I will go here, I will press 2 point, then I will give first point and then second point. Okay, and we will see right now for 3 point. For example, I want to draw here a triangle. Okay, I want to on ortho mode. Okay, then this point and then this point. Okay, now I want to draw a circle according to 3 points. So I will go here, I will go into the 3 point, I will give first point, second point and then third point. Okay, now it is according to 3 points. Now there is one more option, that is what? Tangent and radius. So what is tangent? Tangent means a line or a plane that is just touching to the object. Okay, not intersecting. For example, if I want to draw a circle here that just touch this circle and this circle, that is called as a tangent. So I will use this option as a tangent and radius. I will go here. Okay, and what I will do, I will give first tangent, then second tangent. I want to touch this circle and this circle, and then again I will give the radius. Okay, so for example, the radius of some 20 unit. Okay, now I will press here. Now you can see the third circle is just touching this circle and this circle. So that is what? tangent is all about. Now again one more option is here. For example, tangent, tangent and tangent. It's mean it will touch three tangent. Okay, so I will click here. I will just give first point, second point and third point. Now it is touching all of three circle. Okay, that's what it's mean. Now again, if I want to just give here, for example, tangent, so I will go here tangent, I will give first, second and third. Okay, now it is touching all of three. So that is what mean in the tangent, tangent and tangent, and tangent, tangent and radius mean that it is going to touch two object, and we will give also the radius of the circle. So this was the option like center radius, okay, and then center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent and radius, tangent, tangent and tangent. Okay, and I have also discussed about how we can give the radius and the diameter to the circle. So I hope you understand that how we can draw a circle according to these options. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.